Scout?
Time is to cut it in.
Is your dad at home?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Mr. Cunningham.
Hello, Atticus. Here are your vegetables.
Thank you, Mr. Cunningham.
Are we poor?
We are indeed.
Poor as the Cunninghams?
Not exactly. You see, they're farmer folks, and they've been hit by the crash of hard. Make sure not to kill any of the mockingbirds.
Why not, Daddy?
Because all they do is make beautiful music for us to hear. Thank you, Calpurnia.
Oh, Scout. Scout. Run! Run! Atticus, you should do this. Your best shot may come down.
It was him!
Will everyone please rise?
Please, take your seats.
I was thinking.
Hey! The court is now in session! Miss Maella, you will please take the stand.
Place your right hand in the Bible. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
It's something inside you! You guys! Oh! God! Would Tom Robinson please take the stand?
Place your right hand on the Bible. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do. I'm Tom. Tom, did you rape Maella Newell?
I did not, sir.
We, the jury, find the defendant Tom Robinson Scout!
Oh, right on.
God. God.
Kenny!
The court is... Seats.
What is this? Chicken butter.
Will everyone please rise?
Because he's black, right? Hey, let Anton take this part. Because you have to go, will Miss Maella, you will please take the stand.
Anton, that's a question.
Will Miss Maella, you will please take the stand.
You may now kiss the bride.
Place your right hand on the Bible. You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Stutter.
Tom, did you rape Maella Newell?
I did not, sir.
Are you sure? Thank you, Calpurnia. I stand.
Why not, Daddy?
All they do is beautiful music for all of us to hear.
Oh my God, we're so close! Why'd you fall?
Make sure not to kill any of the mockingbirds.
Why not, Daddy?
All they do is make beautiful music for us to hear. Thank you, Calpurnia.